Guys, panoorin natin 'tong new technology from China. It's an autonomous parking system. So, instead na ipapark mo yung car or hahanap ka ng parking space for your car, meron na silang robot na maghahanap ng parking space sa'yo. All you need to do is park it on a designated parking slot. And then yan, kukunin niya yung sasakyan mo at ipapark niya doon sa mga free spaces doon sa parking lot. So, tulad yan, isa na namang sasakyan. So, kinuha siya. So, hindi na rin problem ang parallel parking or any type of parking kasi makikita nyo kahit anong way nakakagalaw yung robot. Forward, backward, left or right, kaya niyang gumalaw. Even paikot, kaya niyang iikot yung sasakyan. Tulad niyan, yan, paikot. So, hindi na talaga mahihirapan na i-park. Gumagamit to ng mga sensor, hydraulics, and then of course, it's powered by AI. Kaya it's autonomous. Kaya niyang hanapin ang parking space without human intervention. Even yan, yung illegally park, kaya niyang i-park sa tamang lugar. So, ayan, example, dalawang parking space ng kanila, pinagkasya yung tatlong kotse, kasya pa din. Kasi nga, it's it can calculate and it can think on its own. It's autonomous na kaya niyang mag-decide kung saan dapat i-park yung mga sasakyan. So, ayan, kung pipick upin mo na yung sasakyan mo, pupunta ka lang ulit sa designated parking space kung saan mo pwedeng pick upin and ihahatid yung sasakyan sa'yo. So, yan yung bagong technology ng China and I'm sure ibang bansa they will have this same technology and hopefully in the future sa Pilipinas din of course we have a lot of problem din in terms of parking space especially sa mga city natin.